Hello and welcome to the Soon 73 Section 1 from the front video with me, Leah Williamson. Let me get a little more close to the camera, and I may have to adjust as we go along so that you can see everything, but I want you to see it from the front, this Section 1, so that you can see everything my hands are doing. So now this is my 12 o'clock, this is my 3 o'clock, this is my 6 and my 9. And let's go ahead and begin here from Wuji, where we're just being. After a few breaths, relaxing knees and checking posture, we go from Wuji to Tai Chi. Attention to 10:30, shift weight to left foot, right toes to 12. Center weight. Then the hands rise palm facing palm as though we've been handed a present. Shift the weight all to the right foot and the hands come closer together as they come into the lower dantian. We step with the left heel floating down, roll the foot flat. Shift weight and let the hands come up to the chest. The hands get a little wider as we hand off the gift. For leisurely Tai Chi, right turn, foot turns out, right palm up. Connect left hand to the palm, raising left toes. We pivot to the right. When we can't turn, we switch feet and continue to pivot to the right, where the right fingers point up. We face 3 o'clock, step in that direction, and give a little push. Left heel aligns with right, so that right heel can pivot back to the front for another conscious breath in as we open and out as we close. Single whip left, standing on the right foot, a little step forward. Now the palms turn open as we push forward, and the waist turning opens the right hand. The waist turning brings in the right hand, fingers down, right toe in a cat stance. In lifting hands, the hands just change position, right hand in front of shoulder, then plant the heel, both hands to the chest, shift weight, left foot to shoulder width, and then center weight, and white crane cools its wings with a push. Hands come back closer for open, breathing in, and close, breathing out. Brush knee left, stand on the right foot, open right hand. A little cat stance, hands separate. Step down on the heel, now left hand below the navel. Shift weight and turn to 9 o'clock. A little step in, plant the back foot, playing the lute. The left palm faces the right elbow. We shift the weight back, changing the hand position. And then empty stance to 9. Left heel down, left palm down, right palm up. Intercept and deflect downward. Then flip the hands, right toes face 10:30. Now right hand comes back as left hand carries forward. Left foot steps with the toes to 9 as we make fists. Tiny follow step pushes the right fist over the forearm. Step back, open the hands. This is appearing to block and close. The toes are up. Cat stance, squaring to the wall. Step down, open the hands, and push mountain. Turn the right foot to the front, and then pivot the left heel to come back to shoulder width for open and close. Brush knee right, standing on the left foot, open the left hand. A little cat stance, hands separate. Heel down, right hand below the navel, facing 3 o'clock for our brush knee with a tiny half step. Leisurely Tai Chi right, so right hand up, left foot back, left hand faces right elbow. As hands come down together, we shift the weight back. Right hand comes in like scooping chi to the belly. Then left hand connects with wrist. As they rise, we step. And we give a little chop with a follow step towards 3 o'clock. Leave the hands out, stepping back. Raise the right toes. Don't let the hands go further than the waist can turn. Right fingers point up. Now here we don't step, we just give a push, aligning the left heel in line with the right, adjusting the right heel and a pivot back to shoulder width for another open and close. Single whip back to the left, standing on the right foot, little step back with left foot, the hands open and push forward as we shift weight back. The waist turning opens the right hand to the corner. The waist turning brings in the right foot and the right hand. Standing on the right foot, we kind of pivot over to the left. Here we have the 3.1 stance. Then we turn the palm. We have a little cat stance. We place the heel. Right hand makes a fist. And we punch under the left elbow with a tiny step in. That ends section 1 of the Sun 73. So we'll just lower our hands and stop there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was useful, and maybe I'll see you for section 2 of the Sun 73. You can do it. You can make it all the way to the end. I believe in you.